So this is an HOE 9mm gauge version of this French narrow gauge diesel, the BB400. It's an REE model. It's got a heavy die-cast chassis, nice mechanism, it drives on all the wheels. You've got LED head and tail lights as well as a cab light. And it's been supplied on the HOE wheel sets. In the parts bag you will find the meter gauge 12mm wheel sets. It's been quite an ordeal to get hold of the correct parts to do this. I've only got a very few sets, so I'm selling them together with the logos. Thankfully, all of REE's other HOE models are convertible between the two gauges very easily. Because of the outside rodding, this one has been difficult.